Welcome back to Future News. As always, an article description to this Martian mayhem can be found in the description below. The surface of Mars, a desolate yet captivating world, recently played host to a dramatic spectacle. Two swirling vortices of dust, known as dust devils, collided in a display of Martian fury. This remarkable event, captured by the ever-watchful eye of NASA's Perseverance rover, offers a glimpse into the dynamic forces shaping the red planet. Imagine a vast, barren landscape, bathed in the pale light of a distant sun. The silence is broken only by the whisper of the Martian wind. Suddenly, two towering columns of dust rise from the crimson soil, locked in a spiraling dance. This is no mere terrestrial dust devil, but a Martian maelstrom, far larger and more powerful than anything seen on Earth. The larger of the two dust devils, a behemoth stretching over 200 feet wide, dwarfed its smaller companion. The two danced around each other, their swirling forms drawing closer and closer. Then, in a dramatic climax, the larger dust devil engulfed the smaller one entirely, merging into a single, even more imposing vortex. Dust devils, those ephemeral whirlwinds of dust and grit, are a common sight on Mars. They form when the sun heats the Martian surface, causing the air near the ground to become warmer and less dense than the air above it. This warm air rises, creating an updraft. As more air rushes in to replace the rising air, it begins to spin, forming a vortex. The spinning air picks up dust from the Martian surface, making the vortex visible as a dust devil. These Martian whirlwinds can grow to enormous sizes, towering hundreds of feet high and stretching tens of feet wide. They are a testament to the power of the Martian atmosphere, thin though it may be. While seemingly chaotic, dust devils play a crucial role in shaping the Martian environment. They act as atmospheric mixers, lifting dust high into the atmosphere and influencing the planet's climate. Studying these dust devils can provide valuable insights into Martian weather patterns and atmospheric dynamics. The recent dust devil collision was captured by Perseverance, NASA's most sophisticated robotic emissary to Mars. Perseverance, a rover about the size of a small car, has been exploring the Jezero crater, a region believed to have once held a vast lake since February 2021. Equipped with an array of scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, and weather sensors, Perseverance is on a mission to search for signs of past life on Mars and collect samples for future return to Earth. The rover's cameras, capable of capturing high-resolution images and videos, have provided us with unprecedented views of the Martian surface, including this remarkable dust devil encounter. Perseverance's observations of dust devils are not just visually stunning, they provide valuable data for scientists studying Martian weather and climate. By analyzing the size, speed, and direction of dust devils, scientists can learn more about the Martian atmosphere and the forces that drive its weather patterns. Section 4. Echoes of Past Explorers. Perseverance is not the first robotic explorer to witness the fury of Martian dust devils. Previous missions, including Viking, Pathfinder, Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, have all observed these swirling vortices. These observations, spanning decades, have helped scientists build a better understanding of this common Martian phenomenon. Each mission has added a new piece to the puzzle, revealing the frequency, size, and behavior of dust devils across different Martian regions and seasons. The data collected by these missions have helped scientists refine their models of the Martian atmosphere and improve our understanding of the planet's climate system. The recent observation by Perseverance, however, stands out due to its clarity and the rarity of capturing a dust devil collision. This event provides a unique opportunity to study the interaction between these swirling vortices and their impact on the Martian environment. Section 5. The Quest for Life and Beyond. The study of Martian dust devils, while fascinating in its own right, also contributes to a larger goal, understanding the habitability of Mars. Dust devils, by lifting dust into the atmosphere, play a role in the planet's water cycle and influence the distribution of potential resources. Perseverance's mission, however, extends beyond the study of dust devils. The rover is tasked with searching for signs of ancient life on Mars, collecting rock and soil samples that may hold clues to the planet's past. These samples, once returned to Earth, will be analyzed in laboratories around the world, potentially unlocking secrets that have been hidden for billions of years. The data gathered by Perseverance will also pave the way for future human missions to Mars. By studying the Martian environment and its challenges, we can better prepare for the day when humans will set foot on the Red Planet, marking a new chapter in our exploration of the cosmos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to a friend. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.